Welcome back to JNN.
In this episode, we'll cover
The January Jacket Code Assembly
the new segment, Jacket Radar.
and the boys' basketball season.
I'm Paul.
I'm Evan.
This is JNN.
A show with interesting topics
And even more interesting people. That assembly was fun.
It was.
Let's see who showed up on the Jacket Radar.
For JNN, we're doing this new segment called Jacket Radar, and it is basically where we interview students who do stuff out of school.
This month we interviewed Avela Vincent and Malia Martin about their dance outside of school.
We learn our main competition dances at the very beginning of the school year, and we practice those until it's around November, and then we go to the Lebanon Christmas Parade and we perform there. This year we didn't, but usually, like next year, we will be performing at the Miss Mary Christmas pageant. And then we have our first competition, which we just had. And we do like our showcase at some point, which I think is towards May. We do like the LHS Dancing with the Stars. We perform there as well. My favorite part of dance is probably how I get to experience building friendships on a team and how to work with others and how to gain responsibility by learning from my mistakes and learning how I can grow to become a better dancer.
There's like a ton of different styles. There's like jazz, hip hop, there's ballet. It has to do with a lot of hard work and like commitment. I love all of the people around me. They're always so supportive, and when you go to competitions, there's like just all of the dancers, even if they're from different teams, they're all still supportive.
That was cool.
I've got some pretty cool dance moves.
Gross. Let's take a look at the boys' basketball season.
We interviewed the boys' basketball team and a coach about how their season went. This is what they said.
So the season's doing okay. Our B team's undefeated. Our A team is doing really good. They have a pretty decent record. Yeah, that's kind of much I can say about the season so far. A lot of them would probably be someone like Xander Churchill. I feel like he put a lot of impact for us because he dropped a lot of points, getting us up a little bit and allowed some of our reserve players to play a little bit. And yeah, I feel like that's probably someone who had some of the most impact.
Season's going pretty good. You know, got a couple wins under our belt. I would have to say Liam Hansen, leading scorer in the A team. He plays a big role.
The season has went really well. We are right now officially 9-3 on the A game. The B guys are undefeated at 13-0, and we have played really hard. Our best attribute is our skill level and our quickness, and we have started to guard really, really well. Best highlight of the season would probably be this last Monday night when we went to Pershing. I feel like our kids played the hardest and the best right there, and we all clicked defensively and offensively, and seemed like everybody was involved in the game. Biggest player impact, that's a tough one because I've got two biggest player impacts right now. One would be Jacoby, just because he's a really good scorer and he leads our team with scoring the ball. But probably Lucas Williams, of his athleticism and his hustle, really is an impact player when he comes in the game.
Jack's taller than the pizza balloon. As you can see, Jax is not taller than the pizza balloon. Can Jax touch all in? As you can see, Jax is so nonchalant. Is Jax taller than these three? As you can see, Jax is just so much more nonchalant. Is Jax taller than?
Lillian.
Zoe. Paisley.
All right, let's see. As you can see, Jackson's just too nonchalant. Is Jax taller than?
Gracie Weaver.
Blaine Cromer.
All right, let's see it. As you can see, even with a stepping stool, Jackson's too tall. Is Unk taller than Jax with a chair? Let's see. As you can see, it's not even close. Is Jax taller than?
Ava.
Michaela. Landon.
Gabriel.
All right, let's see. As you can see, Jackson's too nonchalant. He wins.
The boys' basketball season was great, but that's all for JNN.
See you next time. I've been thinking, will you be my late Valentine?
Of course.